Hi, I'm Emily and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you the importance of checking your crochet tension. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To begin, work a square in the stitch you would like to use. Make sure that the square measures more than 10 centimeters in width and height. Use a gauge ruler to find out how many stitches your square has in 10 centimeters. This will be your tension. Make sure the gauge is in the middle of your square. It is best to count from the center of your square. Now count your stitches. Do the same for your rows, making sure to count from the middle of your square. Another way to check your tension is to use a ruler. Again, it is best to measure the stitches and rows from the centre of the square instead of the edges. In the first example, I used a 5mm hook. I then worked a tension square with the same yarn on a 6mm hook, and you can see the difference in size. In the second example, I had 15 stitches per 10 centimeters, but in the first example, I had 18 stitches per 10 centimeters. For my project, I needed to achieve 18 stitches per 10 centimeters, so I'm going to use the 5mm hook. If you have more stitches than you need, then try going up a hook size. If you have less stitches than you need, try going down a hook size. Making sure you are working to the same tension as your pattern will mean that your project will come out the correct size. For more crochet techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.